In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a channel in Slack. Channels are the backbone of Slack. They keep conversations organized by topic, project, or team, so everyone knows exactly where to go for the right information. Let's walk through creating one from start to finish. Start on your Slack homepage in the desktop or web app. Look to the left sidebar where your conversations live. Find the section labeled Channels. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover over it or expand it so you can see the full list. This is where your new channel will appear once it's created. Next, open the Channels menu. You'll see an option to create a new channel. Select that to open the Channel Setup window. This is where you define what the channel is for and how people will find it. Begin by typing the name of the channel you want to make. Keep it short, clear, and consistent with any naming conventions your workspace might use. For example, many teams use lowercase with hyphens, like marketing campaigns or IT help desk. Pick something descriptive so teammates can instantly understand the purpose. Slack will let you know if the name is already taken, so adjust if needed. When you're happy with the name, click Next to continue. Now choose whether the channel should be public or private. Public channels are discoverable and searchable by anyone in your workspace, which is great for transparency and cross-team visibility. Private channels are invitation only, ideal for sensitive topics or small working groups. Take a moment to consider which model fits your use case. As a quick tip, it's easy to start private for focused work. Also remember, it's possible to make a public channel private later, but you can't turn a private channel public. Once you've selected the visibility that fits, click Create. Slack will set up the channel and bring you to the member invite screen. Here, add people who need to be part of the conversation. Start typing names and select the right teammates as they appear. For public channels, you can keep the initial list small and let others join when they need to. For private channels, make sure to invite everyone who should have access, since they won't be able to find it otherwise. You can always add or remove members later. That's it. Your new channel now appears in the sidebar, ready for messages, files, and collaboration. Consider posting a quick welcome note to set expectations and, if helpful, adding a topic or description so the purpose is crystal clear. You've successfully created a Slack channel.